change career na tayo. Mukhang may stock na ako sa pag-motovlog. Siyempre, ito si Paps. Okay. Ito, gusto ko mag-focus muna dito. Paps, interview ka na. Anong next step? So, dito kami sa Green GSM. Mga parang taxi ng cars. Ayun guys, tapos na yung aming briefing, konting orientation, tapos nag-interview. Ang next step namin ay test drive ng e-cars. Okay guys, tayo ay magte-test ride ng electric cars.
How long will you drive?
10 years driving experience.
Oh, 10 years.
Yeah, 10 years.
Yes.
What's your name, sir?
Yes, I'm Hank. This man.
So you are the in charge in driving,
Yes.
test driving, alright? So you think it's easy to drive because it's electric?
Yes, we will use the electric vehicle.
Like
Only
that.
100%.
Alright.
Yes, and I think electric vehicle operates like a gasoline power vehicle. Yes. This has 147 horsepower.
I have experience in driving manual and automatic.
Yes,
So
automatic.
maybe it's easy for me to drive the electric cars.
Yes. And so the rest very quickly.
Yeah,
Yes.
very powerful.
Yeah.
Let's see, let's try. Let's
Yes.
find out.
The engine is strong, very strong.
Very strong.
Than the Civic, Honda Civic,
like
2.0
Oh,
turbo.
very powerful.
Yes.
2.0.
2.0. Yeah.
Alright. So papunta kami sa magte-test ride kami ng electric cars ng Green GSM.
Yes. Liquid in here. Either
So
same.
how many charging station in Vietnam?
150,000 charger station in Vietnam.
So in Philippines, how many is your plan?
80,000.
80,000 charging station. So around Metro Manila.
In many city in Philippines.
All right.
In Davao Island,
Okay.
in Cebu, Boracay, Luzon.
So your plan is not just in National Capital Region, also
we run,
in province.
Now we run to set up the charger station.
All over in the Philippines.
Yes. Don't worry about.
So that is
charger
Mr.
station.
San. Mr. San, right? San.
Sang there.
Han?
Yes.
San.
This means happy.
Yan. So yun, dito kami magte-test ride ng electric cars. Angas din pala ng electric cars. Yun yun yung white, then yung blue. Pero yung actual na gagamitin pagka sumampa na tayo, pagka okay naman, sa kulay green. So ganun yung uniform kay kuya. So yan, sa yung white.
Want some information and introduce about this car. Yes, it is VinFast Nero Green. VinFast Nero Green.
Yeah.
It operates like an automatic gasoline car. Same.
Same.
It's the same.
Same function.
This is the gear. You can shift the turn left and turn right to the reserve or neutral. Yes. All about the button in the monitor display. Yes. Okay. Now we want to
Who go first?
test the driver
Yeah.
with the 3 people on the car. Yes.
3 people.
Tatlo muna daw sa inyo.
Yes. Yeah.
Sino yung tatlo? Yung tatlo?
Yeah. Please. 3 people come here.
Tatlo.
Kayong tatlo rito. Okay.
You guys are first.
Kuya, ikaw na mauna. Ikaw naman ang
Sige.
Oh,
Give me your license.
license.
License. Yes.
Yeah. Wala ka drive ka, wala kang license eh.
Yeah. Because you can have police. Tigitan na tayo kaagad Yes.
So guys, ngayon kasi kami mag-test ride kami. So ako first time kong gagamit ng electric.
Thank you.
First time. Si Kuya, trainer yan.
Oh, many.
Pero yung
Thank you, sir.
gamit nyo,
Thank you, sir.
Ano?
may
You are
additional
Fernandez.
pang
Like, I can drive even
Dito,
bus.
sa
Yeah.
Gascam.
may
Okay.
dashcam siya.
May dashcam.
Kita ang likod, harap likod.
Pati
Okay.
reverse yun, sir.
Pati rin.
So, ang functionality lang yung maganda.
Fatten the seatbelt. Fatten the seatbelt. Yeah.
Seatbelt,
So first-
seatbelt. Ayan, ayan.
Yes, may ano kayo, may GPS.
So, si Kuya ang unang magte-test ride ng ating...
Hay Vinfast. Giảm quạt gió. Giảm quạt gió. Hay Vinfast. Giảm quạt gió. Yeah.
voice command.
Yes.
Bus.
Okay. Now we go. Here we go. Yes. Turn right for D. Turn right. Drive. Yes. Turn right.
Yan, drive.
Yes. Okay. Ready. Go ahead.
So, para ka lang pala ritong nag-ano, Kuya.
Ka lang naglalaro eh.
Ano to, sir? Pag gumandar automatic lock, may ay, ano, ito.
Yes, 20 seconds. Parang
You can see and hear engine
Nothing.
nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. Very quiet.
Very quiet.
Just
it's my turn to make a test drive of this electric vehicle
Oh.
from Green GSM. Is that
Yes.
right?
Thank you, sir.
So my driver's license is passed.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay na. So, that's the blue. Okay guys, so yun, katatapos lang namin mag-test ride. Siyempre, nakapasa naman kaming tatlo. Kaya si Kuya, nakapasa ka rin ba? Mahirap ba?
Maning-mani lang sa
Mani. Ano? So, masarap dali, no?
wala kaingay-ingay.
Tapos, kitang-kita mo pa yung paligid, no? So, yun.
Malakas pa.
Sakay ka muna sa
So, yun, medyo, ano na, next step na kami dahil na nakatapos na kami ng aming test ride ng electric vehicle, electric car ng Green GSM. So let's go. Guys, baka naghahanap din kayo ng trabaho, no? So pwede yung pagkakitaan. So ito related sa pagiging driver. So electric car ang gagamitin. Then so kung gusto niyo malaman yung iba pang mga detalye, pwede kayo mag-comment below sa mga interesado. So ito trabaho as driver. So yung sasakyan pwedeng mag-park sa bahay nyo. Yun ang kagandahan sa electric cars yan. Then yung mga details about sa magkano nga ba yung kikitain, kayo na umalam. So kung gusto nyo pumunta rito, syempre lalagay ko yung address sa comment section.